This professional cupping therapy course is ideal for those who want to understand how suction cups stimulate skin and muscles. You will learn various techniques and tricks used in professional cupping therapy and how it helps to promote increased blood circulation, cell repair and relieves muscle tension. In addition, this online course will teach you methods to do cupping therapy on the upper body and limbs such as for neck, frozen shoulder, upper back, etc. You will also learn what is static cupping and how to treat clients using acupressure points. Learning outcomes. By the end of the course, you will learn how does cupping work, know types of cups available in the market, understand the contraindications to cup, learn how to do cupping therapy on the upper body and limbs, understand how cupping treatment helps to relieve neck pain and tension, know how to do cupping for rotator cuff and shoulder problems, learn how to do cupping for tennis elbow and extensors pain, understand how to do cupping for the lower back and sciatica, know how to do cupping for hip pain. Why choose this course? Accredited by CPD. Accredited by the International Practitioners of Holistic Medicine, IEHM. Eligibility to apply for the insurance. Lifetime access. High-quality e-learning study materials. Self-paced, no fixed schedules. 24/7 customer support through email. Available to students anywhere in the world. By the end of the course, you will have a solid understanding of how professional cupping therapy works, its techniques, and how the treatment helps to relieve shoulder problems, upper back pain, upper arm pain, or tennis elbow pain. So, what are you thinking about? Start getting the benefits by enrolling today.